Welcome to our comprehensive guide on QR codes, those ubiquitous square patterns that have become an integral and often indispensable part of our daily lives, seamlessly connecting the physical and digital worlds. But what exactly is a QR code? And how does this seemingly simple graphic manage to hold such a vast amount of information, making it incredibly versatile for various applications? QR stands for Quick Response, a name that perfectly describes its primary and most crucial function: to provide rapid, almost instantaneous access to information with just a simple scan. Unlike traditional barcodes, which store data in a single, linear dimension, QR codes are two-dimensional, allowing them to hold significantly more data, including URLs, text, and contact information, in a compact format. Invented in 1994 by Denso Wave, a Japanese automotive company, QR codes were initially designed with a very specific purpose: to efficiently track vehicles and their components during the complex manufacturing process. Their remarkable efficiency and data capacity quickly led to widespread adoption far beyond the automotive industry, fundamentally transforming how we interact with digital content and information in countless ways. Now, let's delve deeper and explore the compelling reasons why QR codes have become so incredibly prevalent and indispensable in our fast-paced modern world. One of their biggest and most appreciated advantages is unparalleled convenience. They offer a seamless and effortless bridge between the tangible physical world and the expansive digital realms. With just a quick and simple scan, you can instantly access websites, effortlessly download applications, securely make payments, or view detailed product information, all within seconds. This innovative technology completely eliminates the need for tedious manual typing, significantly reducing the potential for errors and saving valuable time that can be better spent elsewhere. They are also incredibly versatile and adaptable, capable of being applied to almost any surface or medium, ranging from traditional printed materials to dynamic digital displays, making them highly flexible. Businesses across various sectors utilize them extensively for innovative marketing campaigns, facilitating secure contactless payments, and providing customers with comprehensive and detailed product information at their fingertips. During the recent global pandemic, QR codes became absolutely essential for critical contact tracing efforts and for accessing digital health passes, further solidifying their vital role in public health and safety measures. Now that we have a clear understanding of their purpose and widespread applications, let's learn the straightforward process of how to use a QR code effectively and efficiently. The process is remarkably simple and user-friendly, requiring only a modern smartphone or tablet equipped with a functional camera, which most people already possess. Most contemporary smartphones come with a built-in QR code scanner seamlessly integrated within their native camera application, making the process even more convenient. Simply open your camera app and point it steadily at the QR code, ensuring that the entire code is clearly visible and well framed within the camera's view to ensure a successful scan. Your phone will automatically recognize the code almost instantly and display a notification or a clear prompt to open the associated content, whether it's a website or an app. Tap on the notification that appears, and you'll be immediately directed to the website, application, or specific information that is securely linked to that particular QR code. For older devices, or if your camera app doesn't natively support QR scanning, you can easily download a dedicated QR code reader app from your device's respective app store. Always be extremely mindful and cautious about the source of the QR code. Only scan codes from trusted and reputable sources to proactively avoid potential security risks and protect your personal information. In conclusion, QR codes stand out as a powerful, efficient, and incredibly convenient tool for seamlessly bridging the gap between our physical and digital worlds. Their inherent simplicity, remarkable versatility, and impressive speed make them truly indispensable in various aspects of our daily lives, ranging from commerce and marketing to communication and public health. As technology continues its rapid evolution and integration into our lives, QR codes will undoubtedly remain a key and increasingly vital player in how we access, share, and interact with information in the future.